participating sa
Bakit ako may ano?
Red Baby
Boy,
Swan.
bakit ako may buhay? What? Boy,
That's a rare achievement. Today, guys, we'll be subbing to Tung Tung. If we unlock this range called is Quick Kill,
Bro, I call this...
we're gonna be enemies. I will clap you if I find you.
Bro, don't clap me. I gonna clap you too.
Not Diddy.
Bro, I can see you.
Oh yeah, you're my neighbor. You're my new neighbor, right?
Are you
Okay.
my... Boy, friend ba kita? Ano, teammate ba kita, boy?
Hindi, kalaban tayo.
Hello, boy. What? Pero...
I will slime you. Ah! What did I just... Whoa! Oh my god! That stupid diamond does so much damage! Boy, mag-joy... Ano?
Ingat ako, boy. Bitch, stupid.
I'm just gonna quick play. Boy, mag-iba muna tayo server. Pag gusto mo mag-join... pag namatay ka, join ka lang sa akin. Ay, slime sa
Hindi
kid!
ka pa nakakabukas nito. Kabilis naman eh. Ka-basic mo.
Boy, meron kalaban. Pinatay ako. Kinatay ako. Walang tinir sa akin. Bulate ko lang.
Bulate.
Ay, don't worry. I was speaking Filipino. Ano yun eh. Marami kasi US. Ay,
Bro,
WOR.
naglalag. Sobrang lag.
Stupid. Give me blocks. I thank you for 20 block. That will be appreciated. Now time to destroy my enemies. And Fortnite.
Bakla.
Why the...
Bakla si Jello. Boy, bakit
Hey.
nababakla ka na palagi? Boy, palagi. Boy, bakit bakla ka palagi?
I will end this video if I get a win. Hey girly. Boom, 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 boom. I'm working for the stars. Isa na siya. Seriously, bro. A knife? No! What? I just died! Dang, this is why it sucks. And let's really quick play again.
Bro, what? We should?
I'll join you now. I'ma join you. Uy, wag ka mag-live. Bagay. Join faster. Join faster.
Uy, may sumasayaw pa para sa'yo. Ayun o, sumasayaw para sa'yo.
Nostalgia. Nostalgia. Nostalgia.
Uy,
Ang gagawin ba flood?
Paldo. Kabilis ko mag-ano.
Hello, my Wi-Fi. Let's throw these two kids. Why is there lava? No, the floor is lava. Give me the shield.
Nah, I'm lit like gray.
There's two hit, okay. Bro died to lava is crazy.
Bro, cry for phone.
Wait. What? I got something. You will then like me to have. Please give me another weapon. Oh, there's a katana.
Huwag ganyan! Boy, wag mong gamitin yan.
I don't have any.
Boy!
Bro got clapped instantly. I used a grenade launcher.
Cheater to.
Bro got one hit, one tap.
Cheater. Siyempre. Akin mo.
But this is why you don't bridge. No.
Bro, don't admit to you.
Please end.
Boy, kilala mo?
Get stupid leaves out of here. I'm not gonna die to lava, bro. Bye-bye, idiots. I'm now safe in my little asshole. Oh shit, I'm cooked. What? I think I have some. Let me mine some leaves real quick. Do I get anything if I mine it? Yeah, 3 blocks, I guess. Better mine some before I get cooked back. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna get more weebs. Oh, 3 arrows. Wood.
Bo, bakit karami nila dito? Si Sheila at saka si JJ. Dalawang JJ, boy! May gagaya-gaya!
I don't really care.
Boy, dalawang JJ!
I don't really
May dalawang
care.
JJ.
I'm not getting hit by a
JJ. Boy, ako rin si JJ. Go left. Bro, why did you...
press on.
Espresso.
Boy, ano na lang kami.
Ano, 4 na tao na lumilipad sa laba.
Reda.
Lumilipad sa laba.
Panoodin mo kami. Spectate mo kami. Cool. There's only...
Ano, sisirain yung ano mo, boy?
I died. I'm stupid. You stupid. Paralyzer.
What the fuck? I'm just gonna clear this out. I'm gonna edit.
Boy. Oh. Brain abuse. Si Akdog. This is not only for kids.
There's no way gonna win.
There's
Boy,
no
dalawa
way to be
silang
paralyzed.
mananalo. Boat.
This guy should be...
Mamaya nag-draw to, boy. Umiiyak ka na.
I hope that guy hope that girl dies, bro. Oh my god, paralyzer, bro. I'm gonna report you for inappropriate avatar. Capture.
I thought about baby daw. Wapak akong takong.
This person.
Boy, gusto mo kotongan kita? Aboy, alam mo ba yung kotong? Aboy? Laser 1. Bro, is this?
Tukadado, sigado, sigara. Tukadado, kidada.
Boy! Boy, bakit nandito sa... Boy, magkasama tayo!
Buti lang. Kasi I'm about to clap you if we aren't.
Boy, share naman raw tayo dito, boy. Huwag ka raw mang-agaw.
Bro, I don't care. Just
Boy! Kaya abang naman nito. Kinuha niya yung stop ko.
boy, do you
Ano
want
ba
a sword?
yan?
Do you want a store?
Bro, I want bow. Someone stole this bacon.
Oh, I have a bow. I have a bow.
Boy, I wanna to hit bacon.
I have a bow, but not a bullet.
Bro, trade. Bro, trade.
I'm gonna give you a bow, bro. What's bow?
I'm here.
Bro, I want a bow.
May bala. Aboy.
Hindi ko alam. Just throw your spear.
Ano ba yung mas malakas, sword or spear? Aboy.
I don't really know, bro. No.
Ano ba yan?
You need to find the ammo, bro. By killing people.
You cheater. Chill. You cheater.
Hey guys, you
Boy,
better back
bakit may
up.
dalawang ability?
Hey, don't worry, it's just me building something. Don't touch it or you'll disappear.
What the fuck?
I need to blur up this 61 times. Whoa. Stop building.
Lordam 5, Lordam 4, Lordam
Lord did some
3,
pharmacy.
Lordam 4, Lordam.
Oh my god, it's explosions. What is that? Give me that bat back. Oh, not a baseball bat. Not in my face, though. Is that a taser? No.
Bro,
I'm not gonna get
no.
taserized, bro.
A taser.
No. Why our teammate doing nothing? I'm burning. I shouldn't be burning.
Bro, I fall.
Now I'm cooked. Why am I getting targeted? Teammate, please help.
Bro, that bacon is so dumb. He never save you.
Oh, I'm cooked. I have little trash teammates. Hey bro,
See?
you're not going to try to touch me, right?
He stole
Go.
my bow.
Now he sucks. I'm going out of here, bro.
He sucks, bro. Bro.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm gonna survive by myself.
Boy, star di oh boy. Boy, star di.
They're waiting for me. Actually waiting for me.
Lord, I'm fine. Lord, I'm 7.
What is that? No, not the stool. You cannot hit me with a stool.
Yuri! Do. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, you're gonna defeat of that. Bro, do something. Bro, do something. We're gonna win, man.
I'm going to touch you, man.
Mumo.
Hey, why did they see you with your stupid bat? Let me get out here.
Oh my god, it scared me to death. Stupid.
It's me.
I wish we don't.
Our TV.
Diba? Ang bobo kasi ng bacon na to. Ibablock ko nga to. Asan ba yung bacon na yon?
Kailangan ko tong edit na video para mo yung ano na yun dala.
Ano ba yan? Add ko na naman. Ano ba yun? Yun yung click ko nga siya.
In-accept.
Ko, lalo pang may nag-join. Ang galing.
Pero ano to? Low gravity?
Bay, magkasama tayo?
Hindi.
Ay,
Give me this stupid knife. Throw it away. Oh, a sword.
oh
My God! Katabi tayo. Perfect. Okay.
Boy, wag mo akong patayin.
Oh, it's time I broken that stupid window. Oh, maze! Okay. That's free me to get. Ah. Hey, bro, try touching me, bro. Touch me.
Bro,
I have a little maze. And you can fight it alone. Yeah, try fighting me, idiot. Now go up and be a good boy. Oh yeah, I have a bat. Wait. Give me that. Oh yeah, I can just use my gravity.
Bro, my lucky is so feel bad for now.
I'm so hot.
Boy, yung lucky ko nawala na agad. Ko ganina meron.
I got cooked. I'm just gonna play.
Lordang
I'm trying to get a win, but I'm still gonna win.
3. Lord
Hindi.
po.
Go. Quick play.
Lord po.
At saka Googie Boy, dyan ako. Bulls games. Oh no, city. City map. Oh. Now, I'm gonna equip this stupid bat. To this knife.
I gonna throw this.
So,
And I gonna throw
bats. Boom. Boom. Bow. Pow.
See? This is gonna work in my pro.
I broke a window. Oh no. This magic stuff sucks. Ooh, double shotgun.
There's no way to go here.
Now let's fight. You cannot hit with your own daggers, is crazy. Guy, why is there person here? GG, bro.
Yo, this is so many of here stuff. Bro, karami namang stuff dito. Di nila ginagamit.
Get out of here. What is that? I'm going out of here. I just broke out the window and died.
Boy, ang sakit nito.
Meron siyang ano? Boy!
Masakit to, boy.
Bugaw. Takas ka sa window.
Paano pag nagpahulog ako, mababawasan ba ako, boy, pag nagpahulog ako? But I gonna hit you when I...
Selected map. Quick. Go. Episode. Oh yeah, let's pick axe. Okay. So there's stupid knife there. Rainbows.
I don't wanna to play this. It's so tired. I wanna to Fortnite.
Boom. Boom.
4 times.
Boom.
4 times.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guy.
Boy, 1v1 tayo, rivals.
Oh, sige.
K9 to K9.
Today guys, we're ending the video because I'm lazy. Private server. Bye. See you in the next video.
Okay bro, mag-join ka na lang sa